Hey guys, it's Sejal. Happy New Year. This is actually, I think I was going to say the first, but it's my third video that I'm recording in the new year. Sorry. मैं finally घर आ गई हूँ मेरे लंबे Philippines के trip से. I'm actually really happy to be back home because I just want to get into work and just have a routine. And hence today's video. जब मैंने, I think एक महीने पहले I put up on my Instagram asking for video requests. This is that came up a lot. A lot of you guys wanted to know how I organize my life, how I be productive. Thanks for thinking that I'm very organized and I am productive. I take that as a compliment. But I also have my lazy days and I don't want to do anything. But I'm going to share with you 5 tips that I think are useful to be productive and not be lazy as fuck. And also, I know a bunch of you are in school who have exams coming up, board exam shit. I know life sucks, but best of luck. It's not a big deal. If you do really well, that's awesome. If you don't do so well, that's great too. Honestly, there's so many more things in life, so best of luck. And for all of you guys who are in college, तुम्हारा कोई ना कोई exam तो आ ही रहा होगा, so best of luck with that also. Oh, and before we start, make sure you guys hit subscribe. We're at 9,60,000 subscribers now, which is crazy. We're very close to 1 million. I'm dying to get my tattoos, and let's get started. Chai. Chai is such an auntie thing to do. So tip number 1 is starting your day right now. मुझे पता है मैं बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ and it sounds almost boring, but I am a boring person and I'm very proud of it. And for me, I've realized that I'm a morning person, and if I start my day right in the sense that अगर मैं जल्दी टाइम पे उठी, मैंने सुबह पानी पिया, मैं एक्सरसाइज करने गई, मैंने खाना खाया सुबह से, like the right food, I'm in that zone to do everything right. You know how you get into the zone if you go to the gym properly 3-4 times a week, then you're motivated to go that 5th time a week as well. So one thing that's really important for time management and also to keep your stress low is to do one thing at a time. Now, according to me, multitasking is a myth, okay? हमारी brain cannot do 6 things at once, it cannot do 3 things at once. The max it can do is switch between doing those 2 or 3 things at once quickly. I found myself to be more productive and मेरी concentration तब ज़्यादा होती है जब मैं एक चीज़ एक बार में करती हूँ, उसे ख़त्म करती हूँ, फिर दूसरी चीज़ करती हूँ, फिर उसे ख़त्म करती हूँ. That way, you know, एक sense of achievement भी होता है कि अच्छा ठीक है, 2 tasks मेरे to do list से tick off हो गए. So anyone who's watching this video, I'm assuming that you are a fan of like planning your day and like making lists and everything, because मैं भी like list nerd हूँ, मैं हर चीज़ की list बनाती हूँ. Every day you should make a list about all the things that you have to do. When I was in college, I would make a list about okay, today I need to read the newspaper, I need to go exercise, आज मेरा ये assignment करना है, उसके लिए पढ़ना है. You organize it with time so that you can do as much as possible. So I've experimented with so many things of doing this. I used to make lists on my phone on the Notes app. I tried Google Calendar. I tried also not making lists at all. This is a method that I found that works really well finally, and I think I'm gonna stick to this, is maintaining a diary. Okay, so this is a beautiful diary. It is by Alicia Souza. She sent it to me. Thanks man, this is an awesome super cute diary. And the whole of 2018 मैंने एक diary maintain करी है, so एक साल I felt really good about doing this. It has slots for every day, also a view of the month. So if you have like some events, you could put those in so that you don't forget that you have to go for them. And then हर दिन का detailed plan तुम आगे जाके लिख सकते हो. And what I found with myself was that I would put in like 15 things to do, like finish entire calculus integration in 1 day, film 3 videos in 1 day, which is absolutely stupid. And जो भी मेरे life के सारे pending tasks होते थे मैं एक दिन में लिख देती थी. So the good thing with this is that limited space होती है, so you can only put down as much as you can possibly do. आज शाम को मैं कल का planning करूँगी with time. Say from 7 to 8 I'll go to the gym, from 9 to 10 I'll think about my next video idea, so that I know realistically कितना काम हो सकता है. And as you keep ticking it off, you'll find yourself feeling really good. Oh, and another thing is write everything down. So कोई भी task याद आता है, I will quickly write it down in my planner, and मैं हमेशा ये अपने साथ रखती हूँ. But in case मेरे पास ये नहीं हो, I have a separate app, notes app, where I just keep noting down everything that's on my mind, and I make sure हर रोज शाम को I open that app and open this and you know put everything down that was told to me or I heard. Tip number 4 is again very important. Keep some time for yourself to just chill out and relax. So मेरा number 1 rule in life these days is that मैं 7 बजे तक काम करती हूँ, उसके बाद मैं हमेशा chill करती हूँ. So even if you're in college, make sure you have some downtime, okay? Watch your Netflix, go exercise, do something that's just for you, because इतना 12 घंटे 14 घंटे पढ़ाई करके your brain will be fried and updated, तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं पाओगे. So since I started doing this, I've seen such a difference in my motivation towards work also. Now I want to work the next day. Otherwise, if I was working like 12 hours a day, agle din I would be like, mujhe nahi karna. Last tip, I mentioned this in an interview I did with Beer Biceps on his channel, and this is something that I heard another YouTuber say. The concept is create more than you consume. ये मैंने अपने रूम में बड़ा छाप के रखा हुआ है. All of us find ourselves being on our phone all the time, watching videos all the time, and हम start करते हैं कि हाँ, I want to take inspiration or I'm bored, let's look at what other people are doing. And if you do that for more than 2-3 hours, at a point you feel so drained and you're comparing yourself to all these fabulous lives people have, and you're just thinking that I'm not good enough, and then you just go into this whole like spiral down कि मुझसे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, I'm just feeling so lethargic, dead in life, I feel like a lump. This used to be my thing in life, I feel like a lump. So I found that if you create more than you consume, basically creating can be anything creative, or even doing any work, going to the office, doing anything, like basically doing more than you're taking in, you will always feel good. You feel like you've also done something and you also are not a lump, you used your time properly. So yeah, that was it. Hope that helped you out. So have a productive new year. Let me know what your resolutions are actually. I actually have no resolutions this year. I don't know what I want to do. So I think it will be cool to see what you guys want to do. I would love to know. And anyway, I'll see you soon, and bye.